Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write 10-line essay on the very important topic drug abuse. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is drug abuse is a serious problem with harmful consequences. Second line is it involves the misuse and overuse of drugs. Third line is it can lead to severe addiction and serious health issues. Fourth line is it has negative impacts on individuals and society. Fifth line is prevention and education are important in addressing drug abuse. Next line is treatment and rehabilitation are crucial for recovery. Seventh line is support from families and communities is essential. Eighth line is collaborations is needed to combat drug abuse effectively. Ninth line is awareness and understanding are key in promoting change. Last line is strong determination is needed to fight against drug abuse and its impact on society.